Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have what you need: replacement band, spring bar or quick release tool, and a soft cloth. Start by placing the watch face down. This prevents scratches and gives you access. Next, identify the tiny quick release lever on the band end. If present, move it toward the center to free the strap. If you see a spring bar instead, use the flat tool to compress the shoulder and slide the bar out. Once the old strap is off, set parts aside safely. Now focus on the middle steps. Orientation matters. Make sure the clasp or holes face the correct way for wrist comfort. For spring bar straps, press one bar end into its lug hole, then compress the opposite end and guide it into the matching slot. You should feel a small click. If your new strap uses a quick release pin, align the bar with the lug, pull the lever, seat the bar, then release. Make sure both ends sit flush and symmetrical before moving on. Finish by giving each strap a firm but gentle tug. You should feel no movement. This verifies the pins are seated. Then wear the watch, adjust the clasp so sensors maintain contact with skin, and make sure the fit is snug yet comfortable. If you notice looseness or a popping sound, stop and recheck the spring bars or quick release pins. Replace any bent or damaged pins. If problems persist, try a different compatible band size to eliminate fit mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.